Omuhurru yitu eyo kurwanisa obucupa n'obuveera eriizooba twatayayira Calvary Junior School erikushangwa omuri Nyamityoobora omu Rurembo Mbarara okureeba okubeegoririza n'omu kurwanisa obucupa n'obuveera. Ishomero eri ryine ekiina omu barikushanguriza obuveera n'obucupa obu na munonga oburikutorotorwa omu ishomero.
You have seen that West Bank has two sides which are separated, whereas the black side is for the recyclables or the non-hazardous, and then the red side is for the hazardous or the non-recyclables. This black side, when I'm speaking about the recyclables, I mean those materials where we can use things, even if it has already been used, we can again get something from it. So that's the black side where we put those plastic bottles, and we have to make sure that when we are placing them inside, we squeeze them.
We dispose them in our school waste bank so that we can avoid polluting the environment. After disposing them in our waste bank, after getting full, or if it gets full, you go there, you collect the yellow bottle tops which are inside there. After getting them, for me, I brought my idea of making earrings out of bottle tops.
Abeji tubarukoma hakunaga kasasiro mu kiine eki bitaba overana n'obucupa nibabukoramu ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe nk'enshaho, enkwanzi, earrings na n'ebindi.
Some of the things that we do from these plastics, we make the plastic jewelry. For example, the necklaces, earrings, these bangles here, and also those boxes. We can make a house from there where it's a big building, but we make it when we're using our own ideas.
Omukukora ebintu ebi abeegi nibagamba ngu babyegire mu kihango nk'okwega emyooga etari emwe n'emwe.
Other schools, they should also start doing those things, because when they ban those plastics, they are bad to our lives. If they buy those metallic earrings, they will become sick, and you might find that my parents are dying because I'm not teaching them. But me as a learner in the Calvary Junior School Environment Club, I have to teach them so that our Uganda can keep on developing slowly by slowly.
Ebintu ebyabeegi barikukora nibigura esente ziri hagati ya shiringi 5 na shiringi 1,000 okurugyerera ha mutindo, kandi nibagamba ngu obukugu obu barimu nibatunga nibija kwiha mu kihango.
Abaana bitu beegire okurinda eby'obuihangwa obutashiisha bakunaga eveera obizi ninga omu migyera yitu karuvaruizi yitu baayegyesa n'abazaire baabo bokusootinga kasasiro. Nomara ekyo n'ekizibu kihango omu maka gitu, abantu bakumara kusootinga kasasiro egy'erikujuuna n'etarikujuuna. Nk'abaana bitu bagyezeho kwegyesa abazaire baabo atari sitituura ebaho empinduka. Twaza kureba amaka gutukutayatayiramu kushanga atari siti family eine sorting procedure ya kasasiro, abaana babahereza plastic bazitureetera aha tuziteeka omu waste bank yitu. Mbwenu tureba ngu kiriyo nituyamba nk'ishomero, tuyamba abazaire bitu mu communities, kandi ndangu buri ishomero na ezindi institutions zakiteeka omu nkora zikajya nkazigere waste bank zigire ekizatandika kwiha omu bintu birarecyclable.
Okurabira omuhurru y'okurinda eby'obuhangwa bw'ensi, ishomero rikabuganaho abakugombya amakuru muri Kampala okureeba nk'oku bakubaasa kurwanisa omwijurrano gw'obucupa n'obuveera na n'okurinda eby'obuhangwa bw'ensi. Gilbert Baguma, mukuru w'ishomero, nagamba ngu hati biine enkwatanisa n'abaarato miliki abarikubahwera okuheereza abaana amate obwe barikugahanisa mu kasasiro y'obucupa n'obuveera.
Kikatunywanisana na companies nk'Arato Milk ababasize kugumana abakuba nibija bakaweyinga kilograms eziturundine urwo mu bucupa n'obuveera bahereza abaana bitu amate. Ekituyamba kugira ngo abaana nibagumiza mu bakurunda n'obucupa n'obuveera ebitwetorire mu ishomero ryitu kugira ngo bakumanya ngo amuheru gwa byona
Vision Group eri omuhurru y'okurwanisa obucupa n'obuveera okurabira omu kuhandiika amakuru aga okwenda ngu abantu bakayonjera kurinda obuhangwa bw'ensi. Aha bwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.